Hello, this is an introduction video about this course. What we are going to learn in this course. So we have several of points about Azure App Services. We are going to follow them step by step. So here is the list of topics in details what we are going to cover in this project, or you can say the entire course. Introduction to Azure Portal. Explore Azure Web Apps, deployment options from local to the cloud, application settings, how you can configure your environment, how you can change your domain and default document, and many more. Online app services editor, you can edit your entire service code by Azure portal itself. Scale up your app service plans, deployment options, how you can configure multiple deployments and multiple slots. You can swap them, you can manage them. App service marketplaces, where from you can download or you can directly edit the default templates like WordPress if you want to use. Testing and monitoring of your applications, backup management along with the storage. We are not going to cover storage in depth in this course because this is only for Azure App Services. But in more or upcoming courses, you can learn Azure storage individually in depth. So this is how we can going to learn step by step. So let's start in the next video sessions how you can use